The school bus full of giggly friends zoomed along the road.
Woohoo! Ice cream factory, here we come!
I can eat 4 ice creams a day.
I can eat 40. Later, we'll see who can eat the most.
You scream, I scream. We all scream for ice cream.
Ice cream, ice cream. You scream, I scream. Ice cream, ice cream. We want ice cream.
Welcome, everyone, to the world of ice cream. Whirring machines mix cream, and candies in all colors tumbled around.
Chloe, it's just like magic.
Let's start with learning how to make ice cream, kids. Look up here at the big board.
Oh, no, not school time now.
Can we skip to the eating part, pretty please?
Now, patience, my dears.
Sleepy, so sleepy.
Will we ever get ice cream today?
With a big yawn and a totter, Splat began to lean, no dear, and bumped a big red button by mistake. Alarms blared, lights flashed. It all happened in a shake. Splat leaped up, and Seymour zipped in the mix-up too. Shh, sweetie, listen, what's that sound? Looks like we've overlooked something. Quick, sweetie, tap the sign to see what's written on it.
Emergency ice cream release.
Trouble, big trouble.
I'm in a cream scene.
Escape quack.
What a pickle!
More and more ice cream gushed out. And oh dear, candy started raining down too.
Please, make it stop.
Sweetie, see? In this mess, Seymour made a boat from bowls. And Spike was quietly drinking cream with a straw. Then, Splat saw the way out of this icy pickle.
Kitty, twist that valve as fast as you can.
I'm on it.
The wild machines calmed down.
Is everyone all right, my dears?
Those fishy candies kept leapfrogging into my mouth. Now my tummy's full.
Everyone's safe. That's a relief.
Hold on. Seymour, my mouse friend is missing. Let's clean up and find Seymour all together. Seymour, where are you hiding?
Seymour!
Seymour, come out.
Sweetie, everyone started calling for Seymour, hoping he would pop out from his hiding spot. We all shouted together, "Seymour, come out!" The room was filled with giggles as we searched high and low for our tiny mouse friend.
Oh, what's that? Is ice cream raining on me? Could it be?
Sweetie, look! Seymour's above, on the beam.
Hooray, you're okay.
Yummy, yummy. A perfect hiding place.
Bravo, kids! You've made the factory all tidy. Time for a treat. So, who wants some more ice cream? Sweetie, after tidying up the whole factory, everyone wondered if they wanted more ice cream. Some kids giggled and thought about how much they'd already eaten, while others dreamed of even more yummy treats. The kittens covered their mouths with a giggle.
No more ice cream.
Ice cream, ice cream.